I do wonder what she was thinking. She had left all resources, spent all her energy, her time and effort. And I don't know about you, but being sick and being broke is a deadly combination. Would wonder if having no resources was worse than having no strength. This woman had to decide which identity she was going to live out of. Scriptures say that the physicians that she dealt with left her empty and sick. Physicians of no value can be tempting to lean on, but they'll leave you like this woman left her, like this woman was left, and that is at the end of yourself with no energy, no time, no resources, and you're looking towards something else to bring satisfaction, but it never does. Physicians during that time, they were learned men, but they did not have the knowledge that doctors have today. And so there was a lot of physicians that were far and few between, and they were expensive. They would add to their medicine practices superstition. And so you would go to a physician. If you got healed, you would pay a temple contribution, and there was a lot of strings attached to it. Jesus comes and he offers healing to this woman, no strings attached, gives her physical healing, and she doesn't have to pay for anything. That gift was free. I'm out here filming now when my car is actually not starting. The battery is dead, and guess what? I brought a backup charger just in case this happens. I faced not being able to move forward, but then I had an extra resource that I can pull from. It's the same with our relationship with God. We have to be able to have a resource that we can pull from. And if we're not practicing it, we're not going to carry it when we are in times of need, and it's going to be a struggle to be able to move forward. And honestly, it feels like I've been on this journey too, to figure out how I'm going to stop allowing physicians of no value to offer my focus. And it's hard because when you give your life to something that doesn't satisfy but becomes a habit, then you will continue to see the results of those physicians of no value. For me, it was my thinking. It was focusing too much on circumstances. When we do that, it deteriorates our mind. It begins to get us in a state where we are going through the motions and not really enjoying life, enjoying anything. And so I've been on this quest, this journey to figure out, like this woman in Mark chapter 5, figure out how can I step out of the mundane, the normal, in order for me to be able to reach out for something different. And so it's to be able to say, I got to figure out more than just what my natural label would be. This woman had an issue of blood. She was dealing with just incurable disease, and she stepped out, reached out to Jesus, and Jesus met her right where she was. Fire.